Alright, so you asked me to so you could see it, and I didn't want to share the passcode and everything. So these are the quiz. It's about Prophet Musa. So the first question is which prophet is mentioned most in the Quran by name, and it's Prophet Musa. And then over here, what was Moses' mother's name? And it's Jochebed. How many siblings did he have? 2. The 2 siblings that he had, one was Nabi Harun, and then he had a sister. And then this is a true or false question. This is just something funny that I decided. Who picked Moses up from the river? That's what it said. So, why was Moses cast into the river? These are the 2 answers. Why did Moses run away? Right? He killed an Egyptian.
Yeah.
And Moses was not the most wanted, and that's false because he was the most wanted. So he went to Midian. It's a city right outside Egypt, and so that is the Kahoot.